did? What did you do?
Go that way.
You went that way? You went that way on what?
A lawnmower went that way.
The lawnmower went that way. Did you ride with Daddy on the lawnmower?
Yes.
How was it?
It was fun.
It was fun? You liked riding on the lawnmower?
Yes. You gotta leave the pieces out there. There's a funny out there.
What did you do today, William?
I don't know what to do with it.
What did you do today?
I went in that lawnmower.
You rode on the lawnmower? Who'd you ride on the lawnmower with?
I can't see it. I found it.
Are you afraid of the lawnmower, William?
It is fun.
The lawnmower is fun?
A lawnmower. A lawnmower is fun.
A lawnmower is fun?
A lawnmower is fun.
Okay.